irrational number. Then we know that root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7 are the irrational number. Then we find the decimal form of the irrational number. We can use the method of the square root division method. Then look at we give the example to find the root 2 is the decimal form of irrational number. Then we use the division method. Look at this. Draw this vertical and the horizontal lines. Then here take the 2. Then we give the point and take the 4 pair of the zeros. 4 pair of zeros. 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 and the 4. And here the point 2. The group of the 2 numbers. Here one group is the 2. Then first check the group of the before the decimal point 2. Then this 2 is a perfect square root? No. The root 2 is not a perfect square. Then find the less than 2 number is 1 and 1 is a perfect square. We know that the perfect square 1, 4, 9, 16. 25, 36, 49, 64 are the perfect square root. आपण कशाला म्हणतो बघा आठवा थोडंसं परफेक्ट स्क्वेअर रूट. थोडक्यात आपण एक ट्रिक लक्षात ठेवली की ज्याचं तोंडी वर्गमूळ आपल्याला सांगता येतं त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो परफेक्ट स्क्वेअर रूट म्हणतो. देन this root 1 is the 1. Then we are divide the 1. 1 here take in the 3 points. 1, 2, 3. Here addition. Then the 1 into 1 is a 1. Division मध्ये इथं काय असतं रे मायनस असते. आता 1 plus 1 2. 2 minus 1 2. इथं कंप्लीट झालं. सॉरी 2 minus 1 1. पॉइंटला पॉइंट. Here the next group is a 0 0. Then here the next division बघा आपल्याला आता नवीन भाग कसा घालायचा. तर take the 2 and we give the 1 and into 1. म्हणजे इथं जो येणारा नंबर आहे त्याच्या पुढे 1 लिहायचे आणि त्याच संख्येने गुणायचे. म्हणजे 2 लिहिलं तर 2 ने गुणायचे, 3 लिहिलं तर 3 ने गुणायचे, 4 लिहिले तर 4 ने गुणायचे. मग बघा आपण गुणून घेऊया, मल्टिप्लाय करूया. 2 into 2 44. 2 3 into 3 3 into 3 9. This is 6. 24 into 4. This is 8, 16, carry 1, 96. 25 into 5, 125. आता बघा डिव्हिजन मेथड मध्ये भागाकारात आपण काय करतो ही संख्या किंवा यापेक्षा लहान संख्या आपल्याला पाहिजे असते. मग त्या पद्धतीनं 100 पेक्षा लेस दॅन नंबर कोण आहे 96. म्हणजेच वी प्लेस द डिव्हिजन इज द 4. 1 2 3. किती ठिकाणी लिहायचं बघा 3 ठिकाणी. 1 2 3. Then here addition, their multiplication is here write down. Then their subtraction. Here the subtraction is 4 0 0. Next number is a group is a 0 0. Here addition. Then we find the next is group 28. Then place the 28 1 into 1, 28 2 into 2, 23 3. Then here we give the 400 or less than 400. काय करायचं बघा आता आपल्याला इथं 28 मिळालेला आहे. या 28च्या पुढे 1 ठेवायचे, 1 ने गुणायचे, 2 ठेवायचे, 2 ने गुणायचे. या पद्धतीने कुठपर्यंत करायचंय तुम्हाला 400 किंवा त्याच्यापेक्षा लेस संख्या मिळाली पाहिजे. मग याच्यामध्ये नीट बघा थोडंसं की आपल्याला काय करायचंय मल्टिप्लिकेशन करायचं. थोडीशी ट्रिक लक्षात घ्या. जर ह्यानी याला गुणलं 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 3 जा 6. मग हे तर मोठं होत आहे. 2 2 जा 4 1 होत आहे आणि हे मग आपण या दोघांचंच करून बघूया. बेदोनी 4 बेद 16 बेदोनी 4 आणि 5. 2 8 1. मग बघा कशाचं डिवायडेशन बसेल 1 1 1, 1. Here addition, their multiplication, this. Their subtraction. 2, 8, 2, addition. Subtraction 9, carry वापस, 10 मध्ये 9 गेले 1, carry वापस 1. Next group is a 0, 0. Then again take the same procedure. 2, 8, 2, 1 into 1. 2, 8, 2, 2 into 2. 2, 8, 2, 3 into 3. Then look at this, multiply by 3 into 3, 9, 6, 24, carry 2, 6, 7. Here 2 into 2, 4, 4, 16, carry 1, 4, 5. And here 2, 8, 2, 1. 2, 8, 2. आपण काय काय प्लेस केलेले बघा. 2, 8, 1, 2 आहे. याच्या पुढे आपण 1 ठेवलंय, 2 ठेवलंय, 3 ठेवलंय. आता आपला नंबर किती आहे? 11,900. आणखी पुढे चेक करूया. 2, 8, 2, 4 into 4. 16, carry 1, 8, 9, carry 1, sorry, no. 32, 3, 8, 8 and 3, 11. Look at this number, 11,900 and here 11,296. आणखी एक नंबर चेक करूया आपण. 5, 5. 5, 5 is 25, 5, 2 is 10, 10, 10, carry 1, 40, 41, 4, 5, 2 is 10, 10 and 40. इथे येतं सगळे बघा 14, 125. मग लेस दॅन कोण आहे बघा? दिस नंबर आहे. दिस नंबर डिवाइड बाय द 4. 1, 2, 3. Here plus, here look at the 11,296. Then the next procedure same as to the subtraction is the addition. 2, 8, 2. Here 4, carry 1, 10 मधून 10 गेले 0, carry 1, 9 मधून 6, 0, 0. Next group is a 0, 0. Then in the same procedure, we give the dividation is the 2, 1, 2, 2. Here plus 2, 2, 4, 16, 1, 22, 4, 5. बघा इथे 2, 8, 2, 8, 1 into 1. 2, 8, 2 into 2. 2, 8, 2, 8, 3. आता इथे सगळी क्रिया करायची नाही तर थोडेसे मगाशी काय सांगितलं ट्रिक लक्षात घ्या. किती नंबर आहे? 60,000 आहे. मग 3 into 2 घेतलं तर 6, 2 into 2 घेतलं तर 4. मग हे दोनच करून बघूया आपण. 2 into 2, 4. 16, carry 1. 2 into 2, 4 and 1, 5. 2 into 2, 6, carry 1, 4, 5. 3 into 3, 9. 3, 8 is 24. 3, 2 is 6, 7, 8. Carry 1. 3 into 24, 2, 6, 7, 8. Mug less number is a 56, 56, 4. Here and dividation is 2, 2, 2. Their subtraction is 6, carry 1, 10 मधून 7 गेले 3, carry 1, 14 मधून 6 गेले 8, carry 1, 3. Then in this method we find the square root of the given number and root 2 is the irrational number. Then the irrational number decimal form is 1.4142 ... Here the division is not completed. We divide the also we give the 0 zeros groups and we also dividation is. Then in this root 3, root 4, root 5, root 7 we are find the square root of these numbers in this method and these are the irrational numbers decimal form. Then the look at the a number whose decimal expansion is non-terminating non-recurring is called irrational. काय म्हणले बघा? A number their decimal form is a non-terminating non-recurring. Non-terminating non-recurring, it is the irrational numbers. It is the irrational numbers. Then look at this example. Take the example. Write down the example in your notebook. Then we see the rational number, irrational number. Then go to the real number. The set of the rational number and the irrational numbers are called the real numbers. Then the properties of the order relation on real numbers. The order relation, then the comparison between the real numbers. Then the first property is, if A and B are the two real numbers, then only one of the relations holds good. Like this, for example, we give the 4 and 5 are the real numbers, and in these real numbers 4 is less than 5. This means that A and B are the two numbers. They are equal, they are greater than or the less than with each other. Then we take the one example, 4 and 5 are the two numbers. Then 4 is less than 5. This is the first property. Second, if A less than B and B less than C, then the A is less than C. Take the numbers ABC. A is a 4 less than 7. B is a 7 less than 8. This means that 4 is less than 7, 7 is less than 8. Here the 4 is also less than 8. यामध्ये काय सांगता येतं बघा, A हे B पेक्षा लहान आहे, B हा C पेक्षा लहान आहे, तर A आणि C मधलं रिलेशन शोधा सांगितलं. म्हणजेच 4 लेस दॅन 7 आहे, 7 लेस दॅन 8 आहे, तर 4 and 8 मधलं रिलेशन 4 is less than 8. Then the third property, if A less than B, then A plus C less than B plus C. This means that we consider the two numbers like this, 2 less than 3. Then adding to the both side of the same number, like the 2 plus 5, here like the 3 plus 5. Same number are adding on both sides. We get the 7 and the 8. Here look at this, this 8 is a greater. म्हणजेच A आणि B मधल्या रिलेशन मध्ये जर A लेस असेल B पेक्षा, आणि जर आपण बोथ साइडला सेम नंबर ऍड करत असाल तर लेस नंबर हा लेस राहतो, बिगर नंबर हा बिगरच राहतो. देन A लेस दॅन B and C greater than 0. The C greater than 0, it is the plus values. Look at this, we give the example. 1 is less than 5. And C greater than 0. C greater than 0, we consider the 3 greater than 0. Means value of the A is a 1, value of B is a 5, and value of C is a 3. 1 less than 5 and the 3 greater than 0. Then multiply by 3. 3 into 1, 3. 5 into 3, 50. Which number is greater? 50. Then here the number is less and we are multiply the same number on both sides, then bigger number is bigger and smaller number is smaller in the positive. And next, if C is less than 0, then AC greater than BC. Look at this. We give this example, 1 less than 5 and C less than 0 means there are the negative number, minus 2 less than 0. Minus 2 less than 0. Multiply by this. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Minus 2 into 5, minus 10. Then we know that the smaller number and there are the negative sign. Then they are the greater number. Then minus 2 is a greater than minus 10. Means the A less than B, C less than 0. Then multiply by the A into C and B into C. Smaller number is greater and the greater number is smaller. If we multiply by the negative numbers and we multiply by the positive numbers, we get the bigger number is bigger and smaller number is smaller. Then the properties of order relation means the comparison, and there are the 4 points of this comparison. Then write down the points. In student, we see the next point, square root of negative number. Then consider root of A equal to B. Then taking the square on both sides. Root is a square A, B square is B. Then B square is equal to A. Then the example is root 5 is equal to X. We consider example root 5 is equal to X. Then the square on both sides, root 5 square is equal to x square. Therefore, x square is equal to root of 5 the square is a 5. Look at this. Root 5 into root 5, their multiplication is 25. Therefore, it is the 5. This point we are explaining in the next point in the subs. Then we know that the square of any real number is always a non-negative. बघा स्क्वेअर नंबर आहे कुठल्याही रिअल नंबरचा जर स्क्वेअर नंबर आपण घेतला तर तो कसा असतो नॉन निगेटिव्ह असतो. आता याच्यामध्ये काय सांगता येईल बघा आपल्याला 4 स्क्वेअर इट इज द 4 and the minus 4 square is a 4 square is a 16 minus 4 square is a 16. This means that the positive number or negative number their square is always a positive. Then the square of any real number is never be the negative. म्हणजेच 4 square 16 minus 4 square it is also the 16. Every positive and negative number have the positive square. Then we consider another example, root of minus 5 square. Then root of minus 5 square, we get the taking the square means multiply of this number 2 times. Here we get the answer root 5. Then my under root minus 5 is not a real number. Hence the square root of negative real number is not a real number. Then their square root is called the imaginary square root. Then look at this point. Under root minus 5 bracket square it is the minus 5. This means that root of minus 5 is not a real number and this square root is called the imaginary square roots.